If you're new here, welcome. We talk about network marketing and building your business online. So make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And I'm gonna share those with you right now. Now let's get into it. There are some things that I wish I knew before I started my first network marketing business. If you don't have a list, you're not going to be successful. Number one, the most important thing that you need to do is make sure that you have a list of people that you can call and text message and email. Number two, make sure that you have a social media presence. If you don't have social media, you're really behind, and you need to get on board because that's where people spend most of their time. Number three, don't be afraid to ask for help, so don't give up. Keep going, and you will eventually get there. If you're struggling, reach out to somebody that you know that's successful in the network marketing business and ask them for help. Number four, don't give up. This business model is just like any other business. It takes time, effort, and consistency to be successful.